You excited for today, Josh?
Very.
Is it hard backing up and talking to me at the same time?
No.
He's got to come your way a little bit.
Come my way just a little bit.
Stop.
Stop.
Right there. Perfect. Well done.
You want it on the hood? What are you going to do? Stop the train?
Hey, at least he tried. You probably can't tell, but we're on a hill, and we unhooked the chipper, and it moved back about a foot. So then we decided we should hook it up to the trailer. And James did an amazing job of backing Josh up. It only took like 7 tries.
I told Brandon he's filming like a behind the scenes.
Ooh, yeah, you
So
are
can
kind of
cut
doing
from
that.
this camera to that camera, and then when you're talking,
Right. What does AJ actually look like while he's videoing?
We have gas. We got the jam.
Got the
man.
blower man.
You got to.
So Brandon's with us today.
I think it's a good night.
He's a super amazing, professional, awesome photographer guy.
Wow. Thanks, AJ.
Can't
I
touch
could get
it.
like probably, yeah, I could get right there. And
That feels really good. I feel so comfortable.
Just kind of leafy. You just got to watch out for the main service line here.
We got power lines right overhead. They're small, so if they got in the way, we could cut them.
I got really excited.
Morning. How you doing today? Pretty good. How you doing? What? It was quiet coming in. I didn't know Marcus was in there.
Yes, sir. Is there a place to turn around down there?
I'll move track out of the way. You'll be able to pull up.
I really thought that was for us.
You thought it was what?
I thought that was for us.
Sorry, buddy.
I guess we'll just have to do with the skid steer.
Yeah,
What a hard life.
it is tough. It's tough being Malachi. Malachi is really sad. He thought he was going to be able to use the dingo today, but it's not going to work. crane set up right now, and we should be able to start taking out the next tree in I don't know, 10-15 minutes or so. Yeah. Bag down. Stand it up some. It's yours. Yep.
Yeah, so this is my daily. It's an Oshkosh, you know. I only get about 2 miles to the gallon on it. It has a 140 gallon tank or something like that, you know. So, yeah, doing some real off-roading with it. It's pretty fun. Expensive, but fun.
Well, looks like we got one tree left, and we're gonna reposition the crane, and we'll get working on that one.